I don't know, but it's my, I think it's my 4th day. Today we're visiting Animal Kingdom. I'm currently getting ready, as you guys can see. Yes, I'm wearing Air Forces in a dress. Ooh. But get ready with me, and then we're gonna be heading out. I need to hurry up because room service was supposed to come at 11. So I just finished getting ready. I'm gonna head over to the cafeteria. That's where my mom and my sisters are. We are ready to go. Let me give you guys a little bit. So we're here, the iconic glasses. This little like cover up shirt. It's a shirt. This is a dress from H&M, and I'm wearing Air Forces and socks and jewelry. I came to grab some lunch. I got a Caesar salad.
All night, hello stranger, babe's been waiting. Just as I recall that, ass is still amazing. Playing, babe, saying, babe, love it, shit, you know I'm crazy. So go ahead and drink up. I'm so glad we got to link up. Get to taking that off me. Yeah. I got the plug, I made the coffee green. Talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't make me wait no.
Me and Jen are about to get on the water ride. I'm scared. With my look, I'm gonna get soaked.
Yeah, we're just like you will, come through and chill.
This is me and Jen before the ride. Not so. Yeah.
Shit, that's a good song. Come through and chill. Coach, can I tell us some
Oh no!
It was my lack of reply had you catching the feelings. Know you been on my mind like Kaepernick killers, or police killers, or Trump saying.
You guys, don't get on that shit. What is this? Hashtag my outfit is ruined.
Because they ignorant, blind to the struggles of the ones that got the pigment. Lately I've been stressing cause it seems so malignant. I need to feel your essence in my presence if you with it. I guarantee you won't regret you did it. Well, come through and chill. Drops like you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. All night, say it. I want you all night. I want you all night. Say it. I want you all night. I want you all night. Say it. I want you all night. I want you all night. Say it. I want you all night. I want you all night. Say it. I want you all night. I want you all night. Say it. I want you all night. Pick up the phone, show me what's real. Pick up the phone, show me what's real. Pick up the phone, show me what's real. Pick up the phone. Yeah.
I need you in the morning, but I need you now. Yeah, I know I gave you what you need. I know what you like. I feel it coming. Tell me that the yes. I try to keep you, but I need some lessons. I need to get better. I try to live, but I can't.
So today's our fourth and last day here. Oi! Today's our fourth day here. My mom and my sister's last day in the parks and the resort. Tomorrow we'll be taking a rest day, and then we'll continue to do a rerun on all the parks for watching Bluey or not. Anyways, this is the end of the vlog. Don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Bye!